Hi everybody, Kat here. So today I am filming in my kitchen, but welcome to my channel. As you know, I love airbrush makeup, and so today I'm really excited because I bought something new, and I bought the Graftobian. So I'm going to be doing my unboxing today, and if you want to see more, stay tuned. So open up your box, and the first thing you're going to see is this was quality tested by Amanda. Well, at least mine was. And then you're going to see how pretty this blue paper is. And then, of course, once we dig up underneath that, this is what I like. Everything is individually packaged, so it's very professionally done. I like that, you know, everything's kind of kitted together like this air cleaning kit. Everything's in that. You've got your airbrush gun right here. And then as I keep digging through the box, you're going to have your instructions. You have a makeup CD. For those of you who don't know how to airbrush, this is probably a great CD to have. And then you're going to have your airbrush cleaner. You've got some hoses right here. I can see a quick connect. I like that. Some plugs, just in case you're out of the country. And then, of course, you've got some makeup. And then here what I'm pulling out in my hand is what I believe to be the battery pack for the unit itself, thus being called the walk around. So you can actually walk around when you have those two connected together. Now these are the individual chargers. So you have one for the walk around itself, and then you have one for the battery charger. So these can be done independently. You'll use one to actually charge the battery pack, the other one if you don't want to use a battery pack. And I think this looks really nice. I just am showing you here what these look like because they actually kind of snap together. The still pictures just show you how to plug these in. So pretty simple. So again, I'm just showing you that these two are independent of each other, and also to the battery pack and the unit itself will work together. But if you're just wanting to airbrush and just use this unit, you just plug it in and plug it into the wall, and you won't need your battery pack on it. However, if you want to keep your battery pack charged, then you're going to go ahead and charge that into the unit, and there is an LED light there to tell you when it's ready to go. Let's see what it sounds like. So easy to turn on and off. The unit itself has a good solid weight. It's not so heavy that you can't hold it in your hand, but again, it's just connects together. It's a nice little unit, and of course with this airbrush gun that I have in my hand and the length of the cord, it makes it very simple if you have a job and you're trying to do someone's makeup that you don't actually have to be tethered to the wall by an electrical cord to do someone's makeup. So now that I've put this down, I want you to notice that little knob. So that little knob right there is your regulator for your PSI. And of course you have a quick connect, which I absolutely love. You have two different ports. That makes it super nice for you, but why would you ever want to use anything other than a quick connect? This case right here provides you with your housing for your airbrush gun. So this is very nice to have. And with this kit, you actually get 3 different sets of makeup. So you have your HD cream and airbrush sampler pack. I haven't actually tested these yet. I bought some additional makeup to test separately, but we're going to try that out here in just a minute. And of course your airbrush cleaning fluid. You can't not clean your airbrush. Number one problem why people hate to airbrush is because they don't clean their airbrush equipment. You've got to clean your airbrush gun. This airbrush cleaning kit is super nice. It has everything that you need, including the lubricant, you know, just in case you have to break down the unit and then do that. And of course, if you're traveling, all of these different chargers are available to you. So that pretty much wraps it up for my unboxing for today. I am going to be testing and wear testing the makeup, trying it out. I'll be doing a separate video on that. But as always, guys, thanks for watching.